In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Wix. First, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access the page you want to update. Once you are inside the editor, go to the specific page where you want the video to appear. This is important because any changes you make will only apply to the page you are currently editing. Next, look to the left side menu and click the Add Elements button, which is shown with a plus sign. This is where Wix keeps all of the content blocks and tools you can insert into your site. After opening that panel, go to Video and Music and then choose Single Video Players. From there, find the YouTube player element and either click it or drag it onto your page. As soon as you add it, the player will appear on your site layout and you can move it into position if needed. Once the player is on the page, the next step is to link your video. Click the video element and in the floating menu that appears, select Change Video. Now paste in your direct YouTube web address. Make sure it's the full link to the exact video you want to display. After you paste the link, Wix will automatically update the player and show the correct YouTube thumbnail, which helps you confirm that the right video has been connected. After that, you can customize the player settings. Click the Settings gear on the video element to open the available playback options. Here, you can adjust things like autoplay or looping, depending on how you want the video to behave on your page. These settings can be useful for matching the experience to the style of your website, but it's always a good idea to think about usability and whether automatic playback makes sense for your visitors. Next, resize the player so it fits neatly into your design. Use the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. And take a moment to make sure the proportions look balanced with the rest of the content on the page. A properly sized video can make your layout look more polished and easier to navigate. When everything looks right, click Publish to save your changes and make them live on your website. Publishing is the final step that ensures your visitors can actually see the embedded video. And that's it. Thanks for watching.